105 on Taylor Street. Oops. It's a little basement-y. Good fixtures. All new appliances, breakfast bar. Outside's kind of a brick mess. Full fridge. Full washer dryer. Bedroom with 2 windows. Pretty good sized closet. Bathroom, no mirror, but a window. And then another closet. And that's it.